पहुंच गए हैं बैरिंगटन। तो भाई लोग ऑक्सफोर्ड स्ट्रीट आ गए हैं, ठीक है, ये देखो। तो अभी एक दोस्त से मिलना है, वो दोस्त तुमको जल्दी दिखेगा कौन है। मिल चुके हैं हम अपने दोस्त से। क्या हाल है? इसका नाम है आदि।
आज फिर तो क्या आपका व्यू है क्राउड का?
ये क्राउड देख के मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है, ठीक है। किस तरफ? इधर। ये क्राउड देख के मम्मी, इफ़ यू वॉचिंग दिस, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स यू विल वॉच इट। तू नहीं देखेगी तो देखेगा कौन?
नाइस होप नॉट वॉचिंग।
तो अभी ये क्राउड, आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग अबाउट द क्राउड, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, ठीक है। आई जस्ट प्रे टू गॉड दैट ही कीप्स मी ऑलराइट, ठीक है। ये ऑक्सफोर्ड सर्कस है। अभी ये आपको वो करके दिखाएगा कारनामे, जैसे सर्कस में कारनामे होता है ना, वो शेर को हंटर मारते हैं वो वाले, हाथी को चेयर पे बैठाते हैं। So guys, we're walking on Oxford Street right now, and we're going to Bond Street. Okay, I know you guys are. We have to reach 500k by the end of this month, all right? ठीक है.
If we get 1 million views, Parth will shave his head.
No, I won't.
I will shave my head if we get 1 million views.
So if we reach 500k by the end of this month, I want. Should we do a giveaway?
Yes, we should do a giveaway.
All right, we'll do a giveaway then.
From Gucci.
Not from Gucci. And I'm coming here after a long time, and I've almost forgotten, everything. I knew the guys in this Gucci, this Versace, but they've all replaced the staff now. And we see two people there talking to each other. What are you guys talking about? So rude, huh? They're not even answering. Please answer, sir.
कह रहे सुट्टा फूकना।
सुट्टा फूकने थे, कहाँ है सुट्टा? अच्छा हाँ यार, सुट्टा। चलो ठीक है, सॉरी। I won't trouble these guys, ठीक है, because they seem to be in the middle of a very deep conversation about life in general, about the metaphysics, about क्या था उसका नाम? Philosophy. Yeah.
उसका नाम
तो
मैंने तो कौन सी वाली का नाम पूछ रहा।
तो अभी हम बस ऐसे ही चल रहे हैं। तो अभी what happened was I was at Versace, ठीक है। While I was coming out, I'm like, can I have another sanitizer? ठीक है, she's like, did you have one when you entered? I'm like, yeah, but I need one when I go out. She's like, we don't give it. She's like, we don't do that here, ठीक है। तो I'm like, ठीक है यार, चलो क्या बोले हम। We're now at Old Bond Street, but that doesn't change the fact that we can buy anything from here, ठीक है। यहाँ पे लड़कियों ने जो बैग जैसे पकड़े हैं, उनको देख के मुझे उस गाने की याद आ रही है, चिटिया कलाइयाँ वे, ओ बेबी तेरी चिटिया कलाइयाँ वे। आई मीन सही में क्या बोलूँ, जब वो आती है ना दुकान से बाहर ऐसे बैग लेके, जैकलीन इसकी फेवरेट है, जैकलीन नहीं है, फिर कौन है?
तो सारी मेरे लिए एवरेज है ना।
इसको he likes Jacqueline so much that he booked the Sri Lankan restaurant for tomorrow.
That's true. That is true.
And Jacqueline, if you're watching this vlog,
Meet me at Hoppers tomorrow.
yeah,
These guys will go to hell when we'll have a date.
come to Hoppers, ठीक है। And look at this beautiful building right here. I don't know what it is. If anybody knows anybody out of my 500k subscribers, then please comment down below. ठीक है? So this place is really beautiful, and I just don't have words to describe this place. Maybe that's because I have a very small vocabulary.
Bath, so tell me, do you
Yeah.
like London or Bath? Do you like cities which have so much people
Yeah.
and restaurant and
Yeah.
like, you know, cars and everything, or do you like small cities like Bath?
That's a very good question, I have to say. First of all, before going on to the answer, I would just like to praise the question a bit first.
Thank you.
That question had everything from A to Z. That question had everything. And now coming on to the answer, I feel I like London more. I'm sorry to the people who disagree with me,
I disagree with you.
but I just love London so much. So right now we're going to this Italian restaurant. Please don't ask me the name, ठीक है, cause it's very complicated. अभी 2 चिड़िया मेरे ऊपर से उड़ के गई हैं.
हमें 10 मिनट.
ओके. तो इतनी गर्मी है यहाँ पे. It's like 20 degrees right now and we are sweating so much. ठीक है, बट अब क्या करें, अब चलना तो पड़ेगा ही.
एक तो हम ऑल ब्लैक पहन के आ गए हैं दोनों.
हाँ ठीक है, तो अभी कर रहे हैं मैनेज यार इस तपती धूप में. और ये है चाइना टाउन. लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. अभी आएंगे यहाँ पे नीचे थोड़ी देर में. क्या कह रहे हैं?
It's very famous.
It's very famous, just like me.
It also has 500,000 people in it.
I mean, of course, I'm joking. अभी तुमको एक ट्रांजिशन दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? We have come to a very beautiful place right now. Let's look at it. So right now we are at this beautiful restaurant. It's called what's it called? So that beautiful restaurant named Circolo Popolare. So I think it's a must visit for you guys if you're watching this. Let's look at this beautiful place. So I would definitely recommend you coming here. ठीक है? So guys, we finally reunited the Bath squad. And girls, I know you were asking me about where is Atharva. So just for you, he's here with his new River Island.
Not River Island, bro.
There you can. Okay.
Thank you.
कमीने.
तेरा बर्थडे तो है भाई.
पार्ट का था. मेरा नहीं था.
मुझे मनाता है.
और हमने भाई का बर्थडे भी मना लिया. So right now we're at the shop. We were invited by Roger Federer himself, and I would like to thank Roger if you're watching this. You know, I really respect you. I really appreciate you, Roger.
बाल ठीक लग रहा है.
बाल ठीक है? ठीक है.
सैनिटाइजर लगा.
नहीं, I was just saying.
Secret हो रहा है.
मैं कह रहा था Uniqlo में Roger has invited us himself. So I was just thanking him, and thank you, Roger, if you're watching.
पसंद है साला 100 पाउंड का है.
I know with all your practice sessions, you find it very hard to find time.
क्या हो गया?